So let me guess, you're here because your rear door in the FJ Cruiser is rattling and driving you absolutely crazy. I think I've got a solution. This is where you're going to see the issue. When you open your door, rear door on the FJ, what's going to happen is it's going to drop off the door guide onto the striker because your hinges have basically dropped, and also the weight of the tyre. This one's already been fixed. I'll put the new guide on it and I'll show you that. This opens nice. So it doesn't drop and then closes real nice. I'll show you what it used to do right now. So what's happening is it's sitting fairly hard on the original factory bracket. As you can see, it's just starting to wear the striker out. So we'll take that off now and have a bit of a look and see what sort of difference it makes. I'll open and close the door a couple of times just so you can see the difference. So it actually it's hard to describe, but you can actually feel the door wanting to ride up on that striker there. So, and then obviously it's putting pressure on this one. You can see the witness marks on it. So it doesn't actually shut very nice like that. So that's probably a good test. I'll put the new one on and see if it makes a difference. Get in the kit from Amazon. You get a couple of Allen keys. This one's specific to the FJ bolts that are already in the car. And they give you some nice stainless steel replacement bolts and the striker bracket itself. So we'll go and have a bit of a look now and undo the one on the FJ and put this new one on and see how it goes. Bit of a tech tip here. These nuts on the bolts on that striker are extremely tight, typical of Toyota. Get yourself a 10mm ring spanner. Oh man, they are tight. You'll never undo that just with that Allen key. So hopefully that helps you. Then get your Allen key. Just loosely screw them in, because then you've got a bit of adjustment, obviously. After a lot of mucking around and adjusting, it's finally on. I opened and closed the door maybe 50 times. That wasn't worth watching, but basically it's almost at the start of the slide, I guess. I nicked those up again with my little spanner tricks, so we'll give it a test. The only real criticism, I suppose, is that four-wheel drive is upside down. I'm guessing because door strikers on Prados and Ravs are probably on the other side, which that product's also listed for on Amazon. So give it a bit of a close. I think that's better. Yeah, good. Also gave that a bit of lithium grease, and on the striker itself. When you do anything like this, I recommend that you keep your original hardware and your bolts and nuts and everything, just in case it doesn't quite work out as it should. So yeah, not a bad little thing. There you have it. Thanks for watching. That product's actually available on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description and I'll tag it on the first comment. So if you're interested in that, have a look on the links and then you can buy them. It costs about $30, so not mega expensive, and that was delivered to Australia. So I think it's pretty good value. Also, if you got some value from the vid, thumbs up would be great. Any questions, by all means, find me a question. I'll do my best to get back to you, and yeah, catch you on the next one.